Hello students, welcome to lecture series number 5. We shall proceed with the fourth journal entry. On April 28, paid cash to Shyam rupees 21,500 and discount received by the business is 1000. And this is the continuation of the previous journal entry where we had the purchase transaction. So for the purchases made by the business, on April 20, the business is paying cash to Shyam 21,500 and it is also receiving the discount of rupees 1000. So let me explain the journal entry regarding this transaction. So what are the accounts involved in the transaction? One is cash account because the business now it is going to pay the cash to Shyam. Before it was a credit transaction, now it is going to be a cash transaction. Then the business is also receiving the discount from Shyam and the Shyam account. So these three accounts are involved in the transaction. Now, if you see the journal entry is Shyam account debtor to cash account to discount received. So now, if you see the cash, there is a decrease in the cash balance. Why there is a decrease in cash balance? Because the business is paying cash to Shyam. So there is a decrease in cash balance. Decrease in cash is nothing but decrease in asset. So whenever there is a decrease in asset, it should be credited. Or we can also use the terminology credit what goes out. The cash is going out from the business to the hands of Shyam. So to cash account. The cash account is being credited. And with regard to discount received, the word received is meant by an income or it is a revenue. The rule says that whenever business receives any income or any benefit or any receivables, it should be credited. Or we may use again the terminology credit all incomes and gains. So it is a discount received by the business. And remember, when any purchase transactions are made and received any discount, that is said to be discount received. When business makes any sale transaction, then it allows discount to the customer, then it is said to be discount allowed. So discount allowed is always a debit balance and discount received is always a credit balance. So discount received should be credited because it is a benefit received by the business. So to discount received 1000 rupees. And Shyam account. See, it is a Shyam on whom the business has financial dealings. And Shyam is a creditor as we discussed in our previous journal entry also. So now the business is reducing its liability. Why the liability is reduced or decrease in liability? Because it is settling the Shyam by paying the cash to Shyam. So debit the receiver. Whenever there is a decrease in liability, debit, or you may use the terminology debit the receiver. So decrease in liability, the liability gets settled off. So you need to debit, decrease in liability, debit, or you may use debit the receiver. So Shyam account. So Shyam account debtor, the original value is 22,500, but the actual cash paid to cash account is only 21,500 and Shyam is allowing discount and the business is receiving discount. So that is why it's been credited or the benefit received by the business. So to discount received account 1000 rupees. So being cash paid to Shyam and received discount by the business. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.